We live in two worlds, the internal and the external world. Is God in one or the other, or both? Let's think about the second case first. Is God in the external world? And if yes, where exactly is He? People used to think that heaven and God are above us. That's nonsense. Our planet is round. What is above for us is below for the people on the other side of the planet. Can God be in a specific location anyway? Are there places in the universe where God resides and places where He doesn't? I think we can safely assume that if God is in the external world, God must be everywhere. There's a word for this idea. This idea is called pantheism. If God is everywhere, everything is divine, which is a beautiful revelation. But if we accept pantheism, we need to give up the distinction between good and bad things and cultivate a reverence towards all things and all situations. We are walking on holy ground. In the Book of Tokens, God says about Himself, "My presence is the substance of all things. I am the virgin snow on mountain heights. I am the fruitful loam in valley depths. I am the gold and silver of the temple vessels. I am the mire on sandals left by the faithful at the temple gate. See me and regard me equally in all, O Israel, and thou shalt see indeed." What about the first case? Can God be inside us? Actually, that's what Jesus said. Jesus said the kingdom of heaven is inside. If heaven is inside, God must be inside too. Mind that Jesus also referred to His body as a temple. That's another beautiful revelation. God is with us wherever we go. Why aren't we aware of God's presence inside us? Because we don't look deep enough. We don't look deep enough because we lack the skill and energy, and because the external world distracts us. And maybe because we don't feel worthy of God's presence inside. That's nonsense. Trash all your thoughts of unworthiness. You're God's child, made in God's image and likeness. Mind, your soul is a divine image, not your body. You are a natural-born prophet. Mankind is the greatest business in the universe, and you play a part in that. But you could clean up the temple a bit, so God can increase its influence in and on you. To go deep, we need to meditate. Prolonged meditation gets us in touch with divinity inside. The rabbis have a word for that, Shekinah. Shekinah, literal dwelling, is the name for the divine presence within. I am, without beginning, without end, older than night or day, younger than the babe newborn, brighter than light, darker than darkness, beyond all things and creatures, yet fixed in the heart of everyone. The Book of Tokens. Thank you for watching this video. Please help spreading the light with a like and a share, and don't forget to subscribe. Love and light.